Please open page number 194. Good morning. Once again, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Page number 194. How long is the side of your cube? As I told you that make a cube at home, and many of you have done this with the measurement, length and breadth which is given in your textbook. According to that, how long is the cube? What is the length? How long, my dear children? Please write the answer in the chat box. Write the answer in the chat box and be quick. I request you not to sit simply in the class. Just be alert and be quick, be smart. 7 centimeter. Good. Write answer in your textbooks. Next is how many centimeter cubes can be arranged along its length? If it is a 7 centimeter, how many centimeter cubes, means small centimeter cubes, will be arranged? 7. How many will be in the width? 7. Not 7 centimeter. Now centimeter will not come.
Ma'am, lengthening width would be only 7.
Length,
Because
breadth
it
and
is a
height
cube.
will be, length, breadth and height will be 7 only because it's a cube. But the length will come in the 7 centimeter, and if it is saying how many centimeter cubes can be arranged, so you will say 7 centimeter cubes, 7 only. Width is 7. In the width also you will arrange 7. In height also you will arrange 7. Now, next, answer number 3, C. Timpu's question. To make the first layer on the table, how many centimeters cube will I use? First layer of a cube. First layer just will show this only. On the first layer, you will only able to see the length and the breadth. So how many centimeter cubes will be arranged on the length and breadth according to the cube which you have made?
8 centimeter.
To make the first layer on the table, how many centimeter cubes? 7 in the length and 7 in the breadth. 7 into 7.
149.
49 centimeters. Yes. Next, the next blue cloud. How many such layers will I need to make a paper cube? How many layers will you arrange now? कितनी layers होंगी? Height कितनी होगी इसकी?
7.
7. So write 7. Next में. Next question number D. So the total centimeter cubes will be, what is the total centimeter cubes? Means they are asking about the volume.
Excuse me, ma'am. We have to send you the textbook or not?
Yes. When I will put in the classroom, then you will say attach your work.
Okay.
So the total centimeter cubes. Total centimeter cubes means what you have to find out? Volume. 7 into 7 into 7.
343.
Very good. 343 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. Next, the volume of the paper cube is same as the total centimeter cubes, and in the E also the answer will be same, 343. Go to the next page, page number, till here it's clear to everyone? Show me thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, go to the next page, 195. Question number 2. Anand made a big cube having double the side of the paper cube. Double the side of the paper cube means what will be the side now?
Ma'am, it will be 14.
14.
14.
One side is 14. So what will be the volume of the next big cube now?
Then 2.44 cubic centimeter.
You need to find out 14 because its length is given, it's long. It is double. The cube, the another cube, जो दूसरा वो cube बना रहा है, वो just double है छोटे वाले का. तो उसकी length भी बड़ी हो जाएगी, breadth भी बड़ी हो जाएगी. Suppose ये जो cube उसने बनाया था, इसकी जो लेंथ, ब्रेथ और हाइट थी 7 सेंटीमीटर थी. अब जो उसने बड़ा क्यूब बनाया है, इसकी लेंथ, ब्रेथ, हाइट जो है वो 14 है.
cube.
Wait a minute, Pranshu.
7 centimeter will fit in the big cube.
I know, my dear, you children know. Please, what I am asking right now, give me the answer of that question right now. See, first it was 7 centimeter, then he made one more big cube, which is just double. Now, what is the volume of this and what is the volume of this? This you have already calculated 343, right? 343 centimeter cube. What is the volume of the another big cube?
Ma'am, 2744 centimeter cube.
2744.
44.
Just a minute. 2744 centimeter cube. So now how many these smalls can fit inside it? जब आपको दोनों का वॉल्यूम पता है, number of cubes कैसे निकालोगे? How many these small cubes will fit inside this big cube? Please find out. We have already done this.
Ma'am, 8.
How many? Vaishang, please calculate. First is 14 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 14. Is the volume of this big cube is 2744 centimeter cube. And the volume of the another is 343 centimeter cube. So how many number of cubes fit inside this big?
8.
8. 2744 divided by 343 will give you the number of cubes fit inside it. So 8 cubes. Clear? Got it, children, till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Tejasvi, eat after the class.
Ishana is not on her place.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to the next, packing cubes. Go to the next question, packing cubes. In this story, they are saying Ganesh and Ringa want to pack some 4000 centimeter cubes in a box. Now they have 3 different boxes. One is length equals to 20, breadth equals to 10 and the height equals to 6. One is this box. Another box is length equals to 11, breadth equals to 11 and height equals to 10. And one more box, which is the last one, length equals to 15, breadth equals to 9. Please write in units also. And the height equals to, wait a minute. And height equals to 10 centimeter. Now check my board.
It's fine, ma'am. Arush, why are you not writing, beta? Arush is not writing. Vivan is not writing.
My dear children, this you have to write or you have to check whether it is. Please.
As
You
soon
have
as
to
I
write.
called out Vivan's name, na ma'am, he leaves the meeting.
Ma'am, I was checking in my textbook and your
Yes,
answer.
yes. So when you find the volume of this one, this is box A, we say B, box B and box C. Find the volume of box A, B and C and write in the chat box. Find out fast and write in the chat box. Just Ruparelia, A is 180.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, I was thinking it.
It's 2. What thinking? It's everything is written in your textbook, my dear.
It's 1200.
A is how many cubes will come inside it? What is the volume of this? 1200 cubes can fit inside it. What is the volume of the B1? 1210 cubes will fit inside it. And what is the volume of the C? What is the volume of C? I am waiting for C. B got, A got. Now C, tell me the volume of C.
1350.
1350. Yes, cubes. So
Ma'am, all are right answers.
good. So these are the volumes of these. This many cubes can fit in these three boxes. But there were two friends. What Ganesh Dinga is saying. Will we able to fit all 4,000 cubes in these three boxes? I think we need one more box. Dinga is saying. Then Ganesh is saying, I think there is enough space in these boxes to pack the 4,000 cubes. Now, children, tell me who is right? Dinga is right or Ganesh is right?
I'm Ganesh.
Ganesh is right. Jashruparelia. Now, Jashruparelia, my next question is, you will tell me how Ganesh is right. Ganesh is saying that all 4,000 cubes will fit in this three boxes.
No,
And
ma'am, no, ma'am, no, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Dinga.
Ganesh
Dinga.
is
Dinga is saying I think we need one more box.
Dinga is right.
Ganesh,
ma'am,
Okay.
because It will be.
Jashruparelia, if Dinga is right, how Dinga is right?
Ma'am, because there are, ma'am, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 that value, and there are 700 in 100 value. So if there was,
Ma'am, can I say I know?
4,000, so it will be. But the answer is 1,760 boxes.
1,760 boxes. How?
And 3,760 boxes.
So, Jashruparelia, before you speak, you think before and then you speak, please. Yes, Mannat. I go to the Mannat. Others can please switch off their mics. Yes, Mannat.
Ma'am,
Switch off.
because if we plus all the boxes, we only get 3,760, but we need 4,000, so we need one more box.
Okay, thank you. You got everyone? Now go turn your page 196. Use Ganesh method and write. Turn, please mute your mics, everyone. Yashvi. Ma'am, please mute Yashvi.
Yes, ma'am, done. Yashvi, please mute yourself. No, I think she is asking some query, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think you have a right, so can you? But ma'am, I'm not able
1
to
minute,
listen
ma'am.
her.
No, ma'am, you can continue. Sorry.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes. Vrishang is right. Height of B is 10, not 100. It's 10 only. Vrishang is 10 centimeter.
Ma'am, I cannot. Ma'am, your screen was blurred, so I cannot see. I thought that it was 100.
Now it's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mute your mic, please. Now listen, everyone. So now on the page number 196, they are telling you to fill these blanks. Dash centimeter cubes can be arranged in box B. So what you will write in the answer?
1210.
Please write. Please write 1210. 1210. Next. 1210 in the first blank. Next. Dash centimeter cubes can be arranged in a box.
1350.
1350.
So dash centimeter cubes in all.
3760.
3760. Okay. And the pipe activity we have already done. Come to the next page, page number 197. Gangotri. Now, our topic, as you all know, that this chapter, the name of this chapter is how big, how heavy. Means two concepts are going to be covered in this chapter, which we have already, one concept we have already covered about. See, the name of this chapter is how big, how heavy. Means कोई चीज कितनी बड़ी है, how big, that we found volume in this. How heavy, we will find weight in this. Right? So now this concept will come about the weight. Trick to Gangotri. Now there are friends, they are going to for the trip to the Gangotri. The students of class 12 are going on a trip to Gangotri. Vedansh, will you read it for me?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
The students of class 12 are going on a trek to Gangotri.
Hmm.
They have
Tracking, you know what is tracking, children?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
क्या होती है tracking? Vedansh, tell me what is tracking?
And if we are if we are going to mountains or somewhere, no, so we take some things and we have a stick on it to climb.
Okay. Yes, Pranchu, you want to say something on it?
Ma'am,
What
I
is
said-
tracking?
Yes, ma'am. Trekking is a type of adventure. So we can trekking means that we have to climb the mountains and stay there.
Mm-hmm.
We have to take a package and stay there for those many days which are written in the package.
Very good, very good. So, wait a minute, Aryan, wait. Before going to the tracking, अगर प्रांशु को बोला जाए, प्रांशु ट्रैकिंग पे जाओ, प्रांशु क्या क्या तैयारियां करके जाएगा?
Ma'am, food,
Hmm.
tent, clothes, and other rope, cream, winter cream, and first aid box.
Very good, excellent, Pranshu. Yes, Aryan, you were saying me something. Excellent, Pranshu. Mute your mic now.
I mean, like trekking, we don't climb the mountain. That we like walk at that part of the mountain. We walk from there.
Okay. So ultimately, you got the meaning what the tracking is, right? What we have to do for the tracking, what all the things we carry when we go for the tracking. Okay. So here are the class 12 students. They are going for the tracking. Yes, Vedant, start reading.
They have to pack their bags for 6 days and keep
Wait. How many days they are going for the tracking, children? Remember this? 6 days. क्योंकि इसमें जो पूरी कैलकुलेशन होगी उसके लिए हमें नंबर ऑफ डेज भी याद रखने हैं. Yes. Next. Carry on.
things them. They also have to take things that do not take too much space. So they will look for things that have both less volume and less weight.
Hmm.
After all, they will carry their own bags while climbing the mountains.
Hmm.
They even dry the onions and tomatoes to make them light.
Hmm.
1 kg of onions or tomatoes become 100 gram when the water inside dries up.
Yes.
It's onions, beta, not
Onion.
onions.
Onions. Stop now. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Vedansh. Now, they are trekking. Children, when you go for the tracking, आपको छोटा bag बना के लेके जाना होता है because you have to see that the things which take less volume. If you take chips, the volume of chips will be more or volume of potatoes will be more.
Potatoes.
Volume
Potato.
of chips will be more or volume of, okay. If I say I'm talking about the volume only, okay. If I say volume of rice will be more or the volume of chips will be more, for example, we compare. Chips जो होती है dry chips जो wafers आप खाते हो, volume chips जो space जो है वो chips ज्यादा लेंगी. So ऐसी चीजें बच्चे वहां. Mute your mics now. So these children will carry those things जो volume जो space भी ज्यादा ना ले, because they only have the limited bags और उनको चढ़ना भी होता है लेके. So they only will carry the less जिसका weight भी कम हो और जो जगह भी ज्यादा ना ले. ऐसी चीजें वो लोग लेके जाएंगे ट्रैकिंग पे. Now they have given a list of these things. एक person, each person will carry these things. But the list of food each person will need for 1 day. ये 1 day की list है. अब वो 6 days के लिए जा रहे हैं. तो आपको कैसे list बनानी है, that also I will tell you. Turn the page. Turn the page number 198. For 6 days, each person will need अब यहाँ पर राइस एंड फ्लोर दिया हुआ है. राइस एंड फ्लोर इज गिवन. कितना राइस एंड फ्लोर लेके जाएंगे फॉर 6 डेज के लिए? क्योंकि 1 डे. वेट अ मिनट.
Ma'am, 100 grams.
1200 grams.
Children, if you want to give me answer, you write in the chat box. Please do not unmute your mics. And listen here, look at the board. Rice जो है 1 day के लिए राइस है 100 ग्राम.
12,000 grams.
Children, I just now told you, if you want to convey something to me, please write in the chat box. Rice is 100 grams for 1 day and flour is also 100 grams for 1 day. So total amount of these total things is 200 gram. But this 200 gram is for 1 day. So for 6 days is 200 multiplied by 6 equals to 1200 grams they will take. Understood everyone? Prakriti, please check your answer. Prishant, you have to write the unit also. 200 gram. What is 1200 gram? What is 1200? If you will not write unit, your answer will be wrong. Prakriti, again you have done 200. I don't know what 200 you have done. I'm asking the total answer of rice and flour. Next is about the pulses. Find out about the pulses and write in your notebook, on your textbook, sorry. Pulses, yeah. Pulses are 1/3 of the weight of rice and flour. Children, we have done fractions also. So rice and flour जो है 6 days का हमने 1200 निकाल चुके हैं. इसका 1/3 है pulses. So किसी भी number का 1/3 is, write the number, find, put a multiplication sign, find the 1/3. Now 1200 multiplied by 1200 is 1200 divided by 3. 1/3 of 1200 is
400.
400, right? 400 gram. Right, 400 gram for pulses. Of dried onions, they have taken, dried onions, they have done 100 gram. 1 kg से 100 gram बना है.
No, ma'am.
Wait.
10.
1 kg of onions or tomatoes makes the 100 gram. So 1 kg से 100 gram बना है. Now they're saying, it's written there. Dried onions तो given है आपको. नीचे given है table में. Dried onions are 10 gram they have taken for 1 day. For 6 days they will take 60 gram. Write in your textbook. Now, how much of fresh tomato should be dried for 6 days for 10 people? Children, please tell me. How much of fresh tomatoes should be dry? क्योंकि fresh tomatoes नहीं दिया हुआ है. कितने fresh tomatoes हम dry करें 6 days के लिए? First of all, dried tomatoes भी हमें 10 into dried tomatoes भी 10 into 6 is 60 gram चाहिए. तो कितने हमने ड्राई किए होंगे? कितने टमाटोज को हमने ड्राई किया होगा कि हमारे पास 60 ग्राम आया होगा? Tell me.
600.
How many kgs I am asking?
Ma'am, 6, ma'am.
6 kg.
Yes.
6 kg tomatoes have dried up to make it 600 grams for the 10 people, because now go to the next. Mute your mic, Josh Ruparelia. Now come here down. Do you remember the story? Because I think you have not read the story in the grade 4. So I will start. This is the elephant story where the weight of the elephant is more than the weight of this whale. Now they are telling, suppose the weight of the elephant. Do you remember the story of this? And can you guess the weight of the heaviest animal on the earth? That is an elephant. So 5,000 kg is the weight of the elephant. And if your weight is 35, it is blue whale, it is 35 times more than. So how many thousand kg does it weight? For example, if your weight is, one child weight is 30 kg. If one child,
I have calculated.
yes, Svara, wait. If one child weight is 30 kg, so 5,000 जो kg weight है elephant का, वो कितने children के बराबर है? How you will find out? 5,000 is the weight of elephant and 30 is the weight of one child. Divide it. How many children will come? It's written, no, guess how many children of your weight will be equal to the weight of an elephant of 5,000 kg. अगर सपोज आपका 30 kg वेट है तो आप जैसे कितने बच्चे 5,000 kg को कवर अप करेंगे? So 5,000 divided by 30 is, Rudra Jalodra, just check your answer. You are just near to it. 5,000 divided by 30. Divided.
Ma'am, 166.
166 point something. So it will 166.6 something. So we round off. As I told you, after decimal, if it is greater than 5, we round off it and we take it at 167. Because children to hum points में नहीं लेंगे ना. So it is 167 children. Next. At birth, a baby, yes.
How many zeros will come in the tons?
How many?
How many zeros will come in the tons?
Wait, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Just a minute. Read the next question. At birth, a baby. Please read, Vedant.
At birth, a baby elephant weighs around 90 kg. How much did you weigh when you were born? Find out how many times is a baby elephant heavier than you were at birth.
Jaiwal 7.
Ma'am, so you know which is the biggest creature in the...
Yeah, at birth, a baby elephant weight 90 kg. Okay, baby elephant का weight जो होता है birth के आसपास 90 kg होता है. How much did you weight when you were born? आपका weight होता है approximately 3 kg के आसपास. So कितने बच्चे होंगे? Now here also, how many times is the baby elephant heavier than your birth? How you will find out?
Ma'am, 30 times.
30 times. Yes. Suppose 90 is the weight of it's given already कि birth के समय एक elephant का weight जो होता है वो 90 kg होता है और birth के समय एक baby का weight around 3 kg के आसपास होता है. So how many times जो है वो इसका कितना बड़ा है? Again 90 divided by 3 करोगे तो it will be 30 times. Okay. Now go to the next about the coins. अब coins का कैसे निकालेंगे? How heavy they are. Now they are saying Shahid works in a bank. He sits at the cash counter. Whenever there are too many coins, he does not count them. He just weight them. उसको weight से ही पता लग जाता है कि इसके अंदर कितने coins हैं. Dhruvi, mute your mic. So what he does is, weighing is so much easier. He said the weight of 5 rupee coin, he is saying 5 rupee coin is 9 ग्राम का है. एक 5 रुपी कॉइन का अगर वेट 9 ग्राम है, the weight of the sack, and I will tell you the number of coins in it. अब आप वेट बताओ एक सैक का जिसका 9 kg. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक सैक है, सैक मीन्स एक बोरी, एक पोटली के अंदर 9 kg कॉइन्स है, 9 kg के. अभी उसको पता नहीं है, he don't know how many coins inside it. पर उसको पता है कि एक कॉइन का वेट 9 ग्राम है. सो 9 kg अगर कॉइन्स है तो 9 kg अगर वेट है तो कितने कॉइन्स होंगे? हाउ यू विल फाइंड आउट? फर्स्ट यू नीड टू कन्वर्ट दिस 9 kg इनटू द ग्राम्स. 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. So 9 kg multiplied by 1000 gives you 9000 ग्राम. जब आपके 9000 ग्राम आ गया,
1000 coins.
9000 gram. Now 1 coin equals to 9 gram, and there are total 9000 gram you have. So when you divide 9000 by 9, you will get how many coins?
1000.
1000 coins. Isn't it easy? Yes or no?
Yeah, ma'am.
So उसको वेट से ही पता लग जाता था कि इसके अंदर कितने हैं. Now turn the page. Turn the page. Some practice questions are given to you. How many coins are there in a sack of 5 rupee coin if it is weight? अगर sack का weight 18 kg है.
Ma'am, 2000 coins.
अगर सैक का 18 kg है, जस्ट अभी आपने 9 kg से निकाला था और 18 kg जस्ट उसका डबल है, तो कॉइन्स भी इसके क्या हो जाएंगे? जस्ट
2000 coins.
2000 कॉइन्स. और अगर आप इसको मेथड से निकालना चाहते हो तो अगेन यू नीड टू कन्वर्ट दिस 18 kg इनटू द ग्राम्स. दैट इज 18000 grams and divided with the 9. So you will get 2000 coins, not grams. It will come in coins now. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Vivan, you are not writing. Sit properly. Next is 4500 grams. It's already in grams. No, 54 kg. What? How many coins in this? Solve it and find.
Ma'am, 6000 coins. 6000 grams.
Next, coins you need to find out here. How many coins? Next is C. 4500 gram. How many coins?
Ma'am, 500 coins.
Ma'am,
500 coins.
500 coins. Okay. Find the answer for this also. This way you need to find the answer of D and E also. Okay.
Ma'am,
And D is,
coins of E.
wait a minute. D is 2 kg, 250 gram. So it should first 2250 gram. Then divided with the 9 and find out. Please mute your mic. 250 coins.
Ma'am, E and D we should do in notebook.
Yeah, no, in textbook only. Now come to the next question. Our 2 rupee coin weight 6 kg. Sorry, 6 gram. A 2 rupee coin, एक 2 rupee का coin है जिसका weight है 6 gram. अब वैसे ही उसको सैक से फाइंड आउट करना है. अब इसके पास कॉइन्स है 2200 coins, 2000 coins.
200 grams.
So how you find out, Devanshi? Can you please tell me? Can you please tell me, Devanshi, how you find out this? Here, when coins are given and you need to find out the weight, in this case, what you will do? You will divide or you will multiply, children?
Mom, I think divide.
No, no.
May multiply.
In this case, you will multiply. And you will get 13,200 gram. And in 13,200, when you divide it into the kilogram and the gram, so these 3 digits back will go in the gram, and 13 kg, 200 gram. Got it, children? Same way for 3,000 coins. Find out and tell me how many kgs. Find out fast.
Ma'am, 18,000.
18 kg. Very good. Very good. 18 kg.
18,000 grams, ma'am.
18,000 gram will convert it into kg. How many kgs?
18 kgs.
18 kgs. Same way you need to complete the last one also. And now they are telling you that how you check the notes. I'll show you one video. See. These all exercises we have done. Yes. And my screen is visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, you need to make this table also. I'll send this video in the classroom. You need to make this table also by finding out, by calculating that for one day how much you have to take and for how much you have to take for the 6 days, and total आपको कितना weight, हर person को कितना weight लेके जाना, and this table you have to make in the notebook. Okay, and then this all we have done about the weight of the elephant, weight of this, weight of the coins. Now I'll tell you how to check the notes. वो real है कि नहीं है? These pointers, shape and size. See, sometimes it's written, no? How do people who cannot see make out different notes and coins? जिनको नहीं दिखता है, वो कैसे इस differences देखते हैं? वो देखते हैं, उसकी size से differences देखते हैं. They touch, they feel, right? They can recognize different note by feeling and touching them. The sense of touch is well developed. Shapes mentioned above are made to assist blind people in recognizing a note. So we can check by shape, size, and paper style that this is real note or not. Style of printing, watermark, the white area with Gandhi image, Bharat written in Hindi, RBI on the shiny security thread. Thread is also there. When you see the real notes, there is a silver thread inside it, and with that also the people see which note is real or no, not. So on the basis of weight also we have covered out. This much is only related with the weight given in your textbooks. So you need to find out how in this everything has come. We have converted the grams into kilograms also. And we have converted kilogram into gram also. This should, the basic thing you should know about the weight. This is cover, and I'll send this video in the classroom. Please see to it. Prepare for your CET tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you, children.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.